Hey guys, here's a new fan I just got yesterday. It is a Hunter Pavilion ceiling fan. So this fan has a pretty interesting story, I would say. So as you can tell, there's holes in the blades. Those blades aren't original. Same with the glass. This fan only came with the motor, and that was it. And by the way, this fan is, pavilions are basically, Hunter Silent Breeze 2s, if you think about them. The only difference is that they have different blade brackets and different switch housing, that's it. Otherwise, they're the same thing. But yeah, this fan only came with the motor. And, so yeah. And I had to drill my own holes into the blades. So, yeah, so here it is. It's 52 inch. It's got oak, walnut. These are the Hunter Mayfair's blades, by the way. So I had to drill my own holes. Top. It's flush mounted. This fan is from April of 1995. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I know somebody who has one. I actually videoed that one. I believe it was 8 months ago. You may remember that. Pavilion. That one's at my dad's friend's house, their bedroom. So yeah. So I'll shoot a light. Now the one on the fan is broken. The little nut. Now I did that little design right there where it loops around like how some Hunters are. I did that because I like the look of it. And it actually came with the mounting bracket that I needed for the Mayfair. So I'll turn on to low. And the switch housing is a little bit loose, so not really surprised if it moves automatically on high. I mean, like on its own. I've been wanting one of these for a while. Pretty cool fan. And then these shades are the Clarkston's blades. Now these are the closest that I have that are similar to the ones that are original on the fan. That's the closest I have to what the original ones would look like. Move it up to medium. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show. There's the Hunter logo up there. Yeah, the shaft for the fan is a little bit loose. Up to high. Should have done this on the thing. Does shake slightly. Moves pretty good amount of air. Turn it off. So yeah, It is a 52-inch Hunter Pavilion ceiling fan. So yeah, that's it. Bye.